Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another ThredUp unboxing for you today. But first I'm coming here with a little rant. And I know that many of you that watch my channel are also resellers. So I guess I'm hoping by ranting, maybe I'll get over it. Maybe somebody out there, misery loves company, and you can relate with me. But I have heard horror stories about Mercari customer service. Now, Mercari is my literal #1 top performing platform right now, and it has been for months. I make at least 3 sales a day over on that platform. I've never had any issues. One time I had someone request a return, and then next thing I knew, like 20 minutes later, the return request was canceled. So I never saw anything about that. I literally have all like 350 5-star reviews, 1 4-star because I didn't like how I folded the item. Anyway, I would say I'm a pretty great seller over there. I had someone yesterday morning open up a return request for fit. You guys, Mercari, according to their policies, does not do returns for fit. They do returns for 2 reasons. You don't get your item, like no one ships it, or it's not as described. This girl, it was a pair of Crocs, okay? Crocs have the size literally like embedded, on the bottom of their shoe. I had a photo of the size on my listing, said the size. The size was selected. So 3 ways I was covered. She said this item doesn't fit was in her description, like the subject, and even had a photo of my shoe where you could read the size. They approved her return. What? Even though I replied and said, no, I'm sorry, this item doesn't fit her. I listed it properly. I even included a photo of the size. No, I'm not going to accept her return. They approved it. And I spent all day yesterday. Now listen, the item was listed for a day. I know I'll be able to resell it. That's not the point. I follow rules, and I don't like when rules aren't followed, and I don't like that it took me all day yesterday trying to figure out how the heck to get a hold of Mercari. I called them, left a message, no one called me back. I sent an email. I opened up an inquiry on the help center, which is a flippin' disaster. Finally, I get someone to write me back on the help center. We're so sorry, copy and paste, whatever. Someone will be in touch with you. Then so I wrote back, I'm like, why do I keep getting the runaround? Someone else, because they signed their name, wrote and said, we noticed you've contacted us multiple times on this issue. So we're going to close this ticket and combine all of your tickets. Y'all, I have no other open tickets. Like my open tab says nothing. So I'm just going to be like Elsa and let it go at this point. But oh my gosh, have you had a customer service experience with Mercari like this? Like, they absolutely do not care about their sellers. And I've heard this so many times, and I'm like, it can't be true. It can't be true. It is true. So I guess you can request a return because something doesn't fit you, and they'll grant it. So I'm just really frustrated. I don't know, like, am I paying return shipping on this item? I don't even know. So I feel better for getting that off my chest. And I'm just, if I did something wrong, like if I listed it as the wrong size or whatever, I would own it and take it. But just the fact that I literally did nothing wrong as a seller and I feel like I'm being punished, like it just doesn't sit well with me. So this is my happy place here with you guys. And today's box, this box got beat up. Like I took the tape off already, but it's squished. This is the kids mystery shoe box. If you've watched my videos before, this is one of my favorite ThredUp boxes. Now the price did go up, so it's like a little over $6 a pair. I'll put down below exactly what it is. My mind isn't thinking all the way clearly, still it's fuming in there. But I have either made all of my money back plus profit, or I have found some amazing shoes for my own kids in these boxes that were a heck of a deal. We've got Uggs, we've gotten Adidas and Nike school shoes. So these boxes have typically been great for me. I would say one wasn't super great, but my local Once Upon a Child took everything that I wasn't, like the brands I don't want to sell online that were going to make me a lot. And I was able to take that money and buy a pair or two in their store and profit. So that was long-winded. If you listened to all of that and didn't fast forward, I appreciate you. All right, $48. So 48, let me just do the math real quick because I like to know. 48 plus $5.99 shipping, $53.99, and it should be 10 pairs. So $5.40 a pair, which is a little more than I pay locally here. This box came from Swanee, Georgia. I know that because of these, and I remember reading it now. So here we go. I see a match. These are very sparkly. They say the word Tina inside. They're just like a fashion sneaker. The actual brand is kind of worn off. So These look like they could be a girl's like size 1, which is my daughter's size. And since there really is no brand, I'll probably let her try these on and just keep them as play shoes. Okay, this is good. This is a pair of Adidas. They say Gazelle. These are cute. They're like a soft pink color. They are a kid's size 7. I think size 7 to 9 has probably always been my best seller. They're in fantastic condition. These will go for at least 20 bucks. All right, I see lots of little things, which is not good. These, I mean, they're very cute. Look at these Chili Pop. I don't know what that is. Little baby shoes, size 3. This is definitely something that my local buy-sell trade store will take, but they sell these for like $3. So I'll get like $1, which is fine. I'm gonna buy stuff there anyway. Okay, these are Nikes. These are fun. They say 23 Jordans. Okay. You see that? They're a little bit dingy. They're a size toddler 9. So nothing for my kids in this box yet, but I will probably toss these in the wash. I use a little magic eraser action. I don't know what I'll be able to get for these just because I don't know if they're like a really old style. Thankfully, 2014. So not terrible. Oh, these are cute. So these are Cat and Jack. They are little, they're size 5, but these type of shoes sell great around Halloween because who do these look like? A little Dorothy. And I know we did a Wizard of Oz theme once and it was really hard to find these. So if these were black or another color, I would ship these off to buy, sell, trade, but I will keep these and list them simply for Halloween. But I'll list them now. Okay, oh, these are cute. These are Children's Place. So not very high retail. They're little, lots of little things. So not the best box so far, but it still makes me happy. Size 4. So when my kids were in size 4, they couldn't even walk. So these show like nowhere. All right, got a pair of Elsa Frozen flip-flops, size toddler 5'6". Nothing to write home about, but it's summertime. I'll probably list these to make a couple bucks because they're super light. Yeah, so definitely not worth the $5. Oh, wait, what is happening? They light up. Let it glow. But this one does not. Well, that's the case. I will not list them. Nope, only one lights up. Well, that was cute for a second. Okay. Oh, this is a good brand. Definitely a brand to look out for if you are not a kid's shoe or seller. See Kai Run. Great quality. I love them. I buy this brand for my kids. These are very cute little chukka boots. They, what size are you? 625 of 19. They are a 9. So great size, great shape. They look like brand new condition. So yes, I will absolutely be able to recoup my money. So that's always a plus. These are cute. Just some little Old Navy canvas slip-ons, size 10. I probably will not list these either. Oh, did I save the best for last? I think I did. Chacos. They are a kid size 12. Perfect. These alone will cover most of the box. I have sold several pairs this month, and they go for between 35 and 40 for my kids ones that I've sold. So these are a great size. They're in great condition. I usually throw them in the wash, but I don't think these even need to do that. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, exactly 10 pairs. I think once I got 11. So overall, this was a good box. Was definitely not my best. I don't think I've had a worse, you know. So I like this box. I don't think it's not like over $100 like most of their boxes now. If you have kids, there was nothing. This is the first time, other than these might fit my daughter. There was none that I was like, oh yes, I'll keep those for one of my kids. I have 3 kids, and they wear between sizes 10 and 3. So anyway, thank you guys for listening to my rant. This video was not supposed to be about that. That's just what's going on in my life, and I wanted to share. Maybe someone out there can relate or tell me that they've had a wonderful experience with customer service, and maybe I just got through the short straw this week. So, all right, guys, we will be back. We'll be back soon. I do have a men's ThredUp rescue box, and it is time for video number 5 in my series from my 200-pound mystery box, which means I absolutely reached my goal. Today's only the 27th, and I'm excited for that one. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.